Hi everyone, let's look at this question of valid mountain array, question number 941 of Leetcode. Let's read the problem statement. Given an array of integer ARR, written true if and only if it is a valid mountain array. It's already been written, what is a mountain array? An array will be mountain array only if and only if the size of the array would be greater than 3. Okay, greater than or equal to 3. In other case it would not be. And here they have described some condition of strictly increasing and strictly decreasing array. This example, this is an example of mountain array. This is the peak of this array, that is 5, and if you move left to this peak, 4, 3, 2 and 0, the numbers are gradually decreasing. All right, and if you move right to this peak, 2, 1, 0, again the number are decreasing. This means it is strictly increasing towards the peak, and this is strictly decreasing from the away from the peak. Okay, so this will be the example of mountain array. Now here the thing is, the numbers are decreasing, but they are not strictly decreasing. All right, they are not strictly decreasing here, or you can say from here they are not strictly increasing, because this 3 and 3 are equal. We need only strictly increasing and strictly decreasing array. We can do this question by a two-pointer approach, in which what we can do is, first of all, we can iterate, let's take two variable I and j, and for iterate ji from this 0 till the end of the array, and j from the end towards the starting of the array. All right, so what can we do after taking these two array? If they are meeting at the same, if they are ending at the same indices, if I is equal to j, then you have to return true. That is, first of all, let's write the base condition. I hope you are able to understand this question. Let's write this base condition. This base condition is already given in the question, that if the length of the array is less than 3, then only we have to then it is false. Okay, then it can't be a mountain array. So let's write it. If array dot size is less than 3, not equal to, all right, then return false. Now let's look at the main part. This is the main part. Now this was the base condition. Now, because I'm doing this question by a two-pointer approach, so int I is equal to 0. This I'm taking I, and I will iterate it from 0 to till n minus 1. This size minus 1. Int j is equal to array dot size minus 1. All right, I hope I'm not wrong here. Why? Now let's apply the loop. This I plus 1, if it's less than array dot size minus 1, if this I plus 1 is less than array of size minus 1, and this array of I is less than, because this I plus 1 you can see, directly you can see this size, as we are iterating towards this peak or towards the end. So you can see it, if I'm iterating towards the end, then the array of I, that is, let's suppose if this is array of 0, and for I is equal to 0 I'm talking, then 0 plus 1, that is 1. If array of 0 is less than array of 1, see, array of 0 it is 0, and array of 1 it is 2. If 0 is less than 2, then only I will increment it, otherwise I will return false. No, so I plus 1, and here I will be taking I, so I am I plus plus. And the same I am doing for the j, that is starting from the end, while j minus 1, all right, because starting from the end is less than what, j minus 1 is less than this array dot size, it should be array, this j, that is array of this j should be less greater than 0, and what else, array of j should be less than array of j plus 1 or j minus 1, sorry. All right, if these conditions are met, then what I will be doing, I will be doing j minus minus. I hope this is clear. And what I will be doing, I will be returning I equal to j. That means if the indices are equal, then you have to return true, else you have to return false. All right, I hope this program is clear to you. Let's run this program. Okay, this is giving me one error. Expected expression. I guess I haven't applied some bracket. Okay, so yeah, see this extra bracket I've applied. Okay, now let's run this program. See, it's giving me the correct answer, but let's run the test cases. Okay,